Hello, greetings to you all. Welcome back to my channel. On my last video, I made a video and show you guys how you can install Python on your system. And now in this video, I want to show you guys how you can install an IDE, which is an environment where you run that Python you have already installed. An IDE, Integrated Development Environment, is an environment where you can run Python. Please, if you are new in my channel, click on subscribe button, then click on the bell icon so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. In this video, I based mainly on things that software, on things about software, hacking, programming, coding, all those things. That's where I based mainly on this video. You can click on subscribe button so you'll be part of the class, and then you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. And now I want to show you guys how you can install an IDE, and the IDE we are going to be installing now is pycharm. Pycharm is an IDE, an integrated development environment where you can run Python. There are many IDEs where you can run Python, but I think pycharm is the best because pycharm was designed mainly for Python. So I think pycharm is the best, and it has more facilities, is more matured anyway, and it is one of the most popular IDE environment. Okay, now how can we install pycharm? Just go to your browser. Okay, now here is my browser. I want to install pycharm, which is an IDE, so I can be able to run Python. Already I have shown you guys how you can install Python on your system. If you haven't watched that video, just go down to my just check my descriptions below, or somewhere around the screen. You will see it will pop up how to install Python on your system. Okay, now I want to show you guys how you can install pycharm on your system, which is an IDE for running Python. Pycharm is used for coding. Okay, now let's install pycharm. The website is JetBrains pycharm, jetbrains.com. JetBrains. Okay, you can just search JetBrains pycharm. I search JetBrains pycharm download. Okay, now is the official site, jetbrains.com. Jetbrains.com is the official site. Okay, now let it open. I've clicked on it. Now it has opened, and then now see here is the official page of pycharm. Here is the official page of pycharm. Okay, yes, accept. Okay, as you can see here, it says download pycharm. Here is Windows, Mac OS, Linux. Depends on the window depends on the software you are using, the operating system you are using. As for me, I'm using Windows. If you're using on Mac, click on Mac. If you're using on Linux, click on Linux. But I'm using Windows. Now I click on Windows. Okay, now it says professional and the community. In professional, it says for both scientific and web Python development with HTML, JS, and blah blah blah. Yeah, and then on community, it says for poor Python development. But it doesn't matter. The only difference is that this one is paid one. This one is paid. You pay for this to get this one. The professional, you have to pay to get it. Now this is the community. You don't have to pay to get this one. As you can see here, it says free, built on open source. This one is free, 30 days trial available. You need to buy this one, but you don't need to buy this one. But they both work the same thing. This will serve you. You can also buy this one if you want, but as for me, I'm using this one. Now just click on download, but I have already downloaded the software. No need for me clicking on download. All you need to do is just to click on download. Now when you click on download, it will open. It says thank you for downloading Python. As you can see here, it's now downloading, but I need to pause it because I have already downloaded it. Now after you must have download the pycharm, what you have to do is to click on it here and it will open, or you just move to your folder, any file, move to your file or folder. Now when it opens, go to downloads. Now on downloads, you go down, look for the pycharm. Okay, here's my pycharm. Now click on it. and wait for it to download. Wait for it to open, I mean. If you are new in my channel, click on subscribe button. In this video, in my channel, I teach things about software solutions, anything about software programming, anything about software. That's where I base. And if software is all about what you need, or you are thinking about maybe being a programmer or anything at all, I think I will guide you here in this video in my channel. Just click on subscribe button. Now the installation wants to start. Now I click on yes. I click on yes. In a short time it will pop up. Now it says welcome to pycharm community edition setup. I click on next. I click on next. Okay. Create desktop shortcuts. Yes, you need to create pycharm on your desktop shortcut, that is around somewhere around on your desktop. Add open folder as projects. Okay, I need to check them. Okay, now it says add bin folder to path. For those that have watched my video of how to install Python, remember I told you to add Python to path. Now you are going to add pycharm also to path. Path is just like a place where Python and the pycharm will come and meet. Then once they meet there, they begin to process. That's why it's necessary to add Python to path and also add pycharm to path, so the both can meet and process at once. Okay, now I click on add to path. Okay, now click on the next. Okay, install. Just wait, within some minutes it will install. Within some minutes it will install. Just calm down. Okay, now I've installed pycharm on my system. It asks me your computer must be restarted in order to complete the installation of pycharm. Okay, now for this installation to be fully complete, you need to restart your system. It says reboot now, or I want to manually reboot later. You can reboot now. It's recommended for you to reboot now, or if you want to reboot later, you can still do that, but after you must have reboot your system. That is when your pycharm will be fully installed on your system. Okay, now thank you guys for watching this video. Once I click on finish, while I have already selected reboot, now my system reboots. So thank you for being with me. Thank you for all this. Now here is the pycharm. It's already installed, but once I reboot my system it will install fully. Thank you guys. Thank you all.